Alright, so I'm here in the lovely town of Cagliari?
Not even close, bud.
Cagliari.
Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong.
Cagliari.
I'm not even trying anymore.
One of those is correct, I'm sure.
No.
Cagliari.
I think I've been vlogging long enough to know that it's really hard to get the views that you see in camera unless you have a drone, which I do have, so you're welcome.
With the TMax way, let's explore a brighter day.
Scrolling through the feed, what do I see? Your face popping up, it's calling to me. Hit that button, make it shine so bright. One click away from changing your night.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment now. Raise the roof, let's show 'em how. Spread the love, let it go worldwide.
Hi guys, I'm Simone from Guruwalk and I show the city of Cagliari. It's a wonderful city, a lot of history, and if you came in Sardinia, came to find me. I will show the city and even a lot more.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from Germany. I'm just here in Cagliari for about 24 hours. I just arrived here yesterday, and right now I just finished a free walking tour with Simone. It was also great. So I got a nice impressions from the town. I like it here.
So my name is Ilya and I'm from all over the place. Came here to Cagliari to visit it since I'm visiting the south of Italy, and I love it because I love stairs and hills, and that's why it's really fun for me to walk around. Also good for some muscle groups. It's really nice, was good to go on the tour. I myself am a tour guide. It's kind of heaven and hell because you compare yourself to the tour guide, but yet I really love finding out about history. So if you're in Amsterdam, want to come on my tour, just send me an email. You should come here and experience Italy. It's beautiful. Everything tastes good.
Simone was a really good guide. He knows his history. Man, he was throwing out dates and like people's last names and like measurements. He's good. So if you want like a really precise tour, yeah, hit him up. I'll leave his information in the description below. And yeah, it's my first day here, so it's good to, you know, kind of get a taste of the city. So now I'm gonna go do some more stuff here in Cagliari. Cagliari. Oh my gosh, I still can't pronounce it. Let's ask Simone how you say the name.
Cagliari.
There's a lot of stairs coming up here, and we can't even go up to the top to see the whole panoramic, which sucks. But my first tour in Italian, and I understood about 32.9%, so I'd say that's a win. see out there in the distance that like a U-shaped arch. Definitely gonna fly my drone there. All right, I know you guys remember Simone from the tour yesterday. He's taking me up here on a hike. We already got amazing views back there. But wait till you see what we got up there.
In Sardinia, in the Sella del Diavolo here, we have a lot of domus lianas. Sometimes we believe they're like fairies. Other times we believe that they were witches.
Gotta stay hydrated. This. I got a view of a rainbow back here, got the whole mountains. I don't even know if you can hear me because the wind is so powerful up here. It's a 360 view of just amazingness. And the city out there where I'm staying in
Cagliari.
And then just all the rest of Sardinia out here. This hike was totally worth it.
Hi guys! Wow! What's that? That's crazy!
Alright, so we just finished an amazing hike. Simone is a great guide. He just knew exactly what I wanted to see, and we ended up getting some great drone footage. Thank you so much, Simone, for this.
It was my pleasure.
Yeah.
I hope you will enjoy the video. This is wine from Orgozolo, a very particular kind of wine from center of Sardinia. Cheers, guys!
Smooth. No, I'm just kidding. It's good.
That is Mirto, a specialty of Sardinia.
Ooh, that smells like something I've never had before. I like it. I think it's good. Yeah. It reminds me a little bit of like the anise flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was good though. Or pacharan in the north of Spain. I see these things all over town. For €2, get a nice little slice of pizza. It's pretty good.
I know everything about. I am the one know much more about him than himself. See you.
Ciao. These cool murals just all over the town. Apparently we've stumbled upon a town of artists, and of course we're going to head to the garden where we can see artists who made sculptures that produce music. So let's check that out.
We have saw these stones playing for us. It was very wonderful. It's like amazing and incredible.
The sound garden tour was really nice. It was very interesting to hear how stone makes music, and unfortunately we can't touch anything and we can't play anything because we really want to, but it was nice enough just to hear her do that and yeah, just to appreciate the garden.
So the tour was really fast, really we enjoyed a few stones, but we hoped maybe something more can be played. But the city is very nice, with a lot of art, a lot of murals, and even this one behind us is very particular. It's a really nice village here.
Yeah, I agree. And the murals it's really great because in Villanova, in Cagliari, there's a street for graffiti, and I had the anticipation or the expectation that it was going to be this kind of graffiti, and it's not, it's just regular graffiti. So this is kind of filling that hole for me. But the tour, though it was very interesting, it was very brief. Would have been nice if we could have touched it. You can't have like a sound museum where I can't make the sound, right?
Yeah.
But the city's really nice, it's quaint, there's like 7 people live here. And then Misha wants to come over and say something on the video, doesn't she?
For me, it's a very nice city with a good experience from the sound garden.
Few words, very deep meanings.
Yeah. Hiking up Monte Pino so I can get a view of the city. But yeah. Whew. Strong winds and dark clouds do not make good for drone photography, so yeah, I don't think they came out very good. And now this is coming toward me, so I need to run before I get rained on. Running from the rain. So let's have a coffee. So we went from a nice beautiful day to raining to back to nice beautiful day. So let's hope it stays like this. Oh, it's cold. Ugh. Very cold. So I'm here at Poetto Beach, and it's super windy, just like we saw the other day with the drone. But it's just a really beautiful beach. It's just nice because you can sit out and watch all these guys do their kite surfing and the wind surfing, and that's just really cool. It's a really beautiful thing to see. And I just want to take this time to say thank you to Simone. He's been an amazing tour guide turned friend. Like, I just showed up for a tour, and we've hung out this whole time. And honestly, the things that I've learned on this trip, the things that I've done, I would not have done had I not met him. And I know so much more. I've had a really good time, and I just want to say thank you, Simone. Make sure you leave a like and share with your friends. Cagliari
Cagliari.
is the place to be.